Are you looking at the pretty bird?
Here comes romance.
Here, oh.
Silver.
Oh no. Jewel fights. Jewel fights. Oh. Here it comes. Here comes national love. Oh, she's eating her seeds. They're lovebirds. They're lovebirds. Oh, God.
Yeah, the gray one's mine and the yellow one's my friend's.
Yeah, this is Silver and Jewel.
Sitting in a tree. K-I-S.
S-S-I-N-G. First comes the love.
Then comes the marriage. Then comes the chickie in the chickie cage.
Silver's not even interested in food. Look at that.
He's interested in her.
Silver's usually
Oh.
Silver, stop.
Jewel. Silver.
Jewel.
Don't put it so close to the cameras, girls.
Oh, she's trying to eat the carrot. I told you
She
she.
likes veggies just like you do.
Yeah, she's trying to eat it, but I don't think her beak is sharp enough. Oh! Silver just started nipping.
And the one that's whistling and talking and stuff is the gray one, which is Silver.
Are you sure that might be my no?
He's saying, hey girl, you're ignoring me. What's up with you? Quit eating.
Quit.
Eating, you little piggy.
No.
Quit. Quit, Jewel. Quit. Quit. Oh, I feel like he's gonna bite her, even though he won't, because he's a very friendly bird. Oh, okay.
There is my friend.
Hi. Oh. Oh.
Silver.
Silver.
Me.
Jewel. And that's Ashley. And hi.
Jewel's a typical woman just wanting to eat. And Silver, the boy, is
Very.
taking a look and saying, hey girl, what about me?
Hey girl, what's up? Oh. Ashley. Oh. I'm in a. Kiss me.
Yeah, I'm a little vacuum, and I vacuum up all this food.
Oh. Silver. Silver. He just literally went right to the camera.
Silver's not interested in the food.
Oh.
He's interested in the girl.
He just pecked at her. Oh.
Don't you dare step up on Jewel. That'd be so cute if they were.
You're gonna scare him.
Oh. Silver's like,
Who's a
what the?
pretty boy? Who's a pretty boy? Huh?
The one that I really have my eye on is Silver.
Oh. Silver's being really funny right now where the girl's just like, ugh. I'm eating. Go say hi to the pretty. Go say hi to the pretty.
Go say hi to the
Pretty boy.
your man.
Oh. Oh.
No, Silver. Bad. Step up. No, step up. Step up. Thank you. That's a good boy. That's a good boy to step up.
There's his grandma. Silver's grandma. And there is
You want to go look at the girl? You want to go look at the girl over there? Hey, not nice. You want to go back in your cage?
As soon as he hears that word, he's like, no, I'm good. Now here is Jewel the bird alone.
Don't be naughty.
Yes.
Go back in your cage.
Ah, my man is gone.
No. I just stopped it. I'm gonna watch it. Okay. Try to eat that carrot. It won't work, Jewel. I swear.
Naughty, you go back in your cage. You don't peck at me. You don't peck at me. That's naughty. You don't bite people. That's not nice, Silva.
Jewel, I don't know if she likes the...
Okay, ready, girls? It takes
Honey, I wanna
17
watch
minutes to go
this.
get our teeth brushed.
Jewel. Okay, that was Jewel.
To go get our